If you've been thinking about making a coloring book but keep putting it off, stop scrolling. This one's for you. The coloring book market is moving fast right now. New niches are popping up every week.
See, this is important information.
AI design tools have made production easier than ever, and buyers are actively searching for fresh themes that the old top sellers just aren't covering. That means there's a short window where you can publish into a hot trend before it gets saturated with 10,000 lookalike books. Get in early and you ride the wave. Wait 6 months and you're competing against everyone who saw the same trend you did. So here are the top 3 trending coloring books you should be making right now. Let's get into it. Our first coloring book that is trending right now for adults is a classic, and it's not going out of style, it's actually escalating. So that's why I want you to really focus on flower coloring books. These can be for women, they can be for teens, they can incorporate positive phrases in them. They can be a classic like this one. Now, don't think that you are going to get lost in this particular genre. Right now, flower coloring book for adults, I look over here on the left-hand side, I want to see how many results came in. 10,000 is actually the perfect number that you want to be at. Anywhere between like 1 or 2,000 up to 10,000 is the sweet spot. Because once you get to 20 or 30,000, that means that there are so many results coming back, it's kind of flooded. You can still make a space, but you just got to niche down a little bit. So that's what we're going to work on doing in this particular area, is identifying. I'm going to ignore all of these on this first line because these are all sponsored. But these right here, this is what I'm going to look at. What I look at here is I look for ones like this one that have only 240 reviews, but it looks like it's still selling really, really well. Gonna keep on going, look down at this one, 93 reviews, 155 reviews. This is telling me that people are purchasing this. It's still, look at all the different styles. We have kind of a classic here. We have a bold and easy. We have a very easy one here, cozy blooms. All of these different styles are here, but all have to do with flowers, which means you have a great space to play in. Now, I'm guessing we're close to Mother's Day right now, so I'm thinking that maybe some of these are trending a little bit more because of Mother's Day. Great gifts, but also think of summer, spring. This is a wonderful gift for anybody. These could be for teens, adults, but what I want to do is I want to show you the tool that I use to create these pages. So here in LitPal, now again, you can use any AI generator that you want. I use LitPal because for me it's the most consistent bulk generator that I've ever used, and it has a lot of AI built-in tools. Let me show you. Oh yes, I'm an affiliate because I love them, so link down below. Okay, so I'm just gonna write summer flowers. Okay, now here I'm actually gonna ask it to enhance the prompt with AI, and it's gonna help me with my title. I really like that this uses the relaxation and creativity keywords because those are the top ranking keywords. Now let's describe the theme for the book. Now that's pretty simple, but that's okay. I'm going to use their AI to expand that a little bit more. I can make it shorter, longer, but I actually like what's here, so I'm going to go ahead and click accept. Now I need to make sure I click and identify the style. If I want it to be bold and easy, I can. I'm going to go ahead and choose realistic. In here, I like how when you scroll over it, it shows you what it would look like colored. But here, there are additional styles, and I've played around with these. For example, the first flower coloring book I made, I chose the floral botanical. I came down here, I chose 8.5 by 11, and I selected it to only make a couple of images to test it. That way I'm not committing to 10 images and I've wasted it if it's not the style that I want. So I'm gonna go ahead and do 5. I've learned that on this one, I like the realistic look, and keep it 8.5 by 11 and then generate the book. Now this is what it came up with. This is let me go ahead and show you. I ended up making 10. I love the flowers. I love the intricate detail. Here's a beautiful bouquet. I like the geometrics behind this one. I like the bees. Looking good. There's one here. I want to show you how I edited, how I'm going to edit it. For example, look at this one. Let's say I love the tulips, but I don't like these lines over here. So all I have to do is come in here and click edit. And I just need to draw over them. Okay. And here it just says, what do you want in the printed area? I'm going to say white background. And it's not going to charge me any credits or anything for this edit. It's just going to let me play around with it till I like it. Perfect. I removed those lines. I'm going to go ahead and click Save Edit. That was pretty easy. And then here I can download an individual page. I can add page numbers. I can crop. I can regenerate just that one if I want, or download all of them as a PDF. Now, our next really big trend in coloring books right now is the tattoo coloring book. Now, we've seen this a little bit. I feel like it's been rising over the past year. It's been around. Don't get me wrong. This is not the first time we've seen tattoo coloring books, but they're really skyrocketing in these last 6 months. So you need to jump on this wagon now to, number one, get used to what type of format you want to, what type of AI generator, unless you're a really great artist and you can draw tattoos, what type of AI generator you want to use and play around with that and kind of get used to and comfortable to the book. Let's see here. I'm not going to click on any of the sponsored ones because I don't want them to get charged. But look down here, look at the different styles that we have. We have 100, these are classics. This one you can see has been around a while. This one is a little bit newer. It's going with that bold and easy tattoo style. Again, look at how they did that. I'm so impressed here. They took the bold and easy niche, they niched down and incorporated tattoo. That is the perfect way to do it. Tattoo therapy, 100 tattoos. Okay, let's look, you know what? Let's look at this one. I want to see the reviews. It looks like a beautiful picture on the front. This will also let us know what people are loving and not loving about the book. Okay, these people are saying it's excellent, cool book. Oh, it came damaged. But again, that's nothing that we can control. Good coloring book. Thin paper will bleed over. Felt like more of it. Okay, you're going to want to make sure that you say in the description that it's only on one page so that it doesn't bleed through, or that you suggest to people put a paper in between. If you want, now what I've experienced, the paper here in these books is high quality. It's pretty thick. But if you want to elevate that and make it even thicker, then choose premium paper. Let's come on over here to LitPal, and I'm going to show you how I use it from beginning to end. Okay, I just wrote tattoos. Let's generate that. Let's make a better book title. Classic tattoo coloring pages. Ooh, I kind of like the vintage art tattoos. So I'm going to change this to vintage, and let's enhance that. Yep, looks good. I'm going to accept that. Now let's check out the styles one more time. Okay, let's try the vintage. I'm going to go ahead and just do let's do 5 on these to test it out. I like the 8.5 by 11 size for these, and let's click generate. Okay, now these definitely are going more with that vintage look. I would play around with this one a little bit more. Why don't we try another one so I can show you how adjusting things can really make a difference. Let's create a new book. I'm going to title it Classic Tattoos. Let's go Classic Ink. Now I want to actually, before I chose realistic, this time I want to, no. So before I chose vintage, but I want to show something that's a little bit more realistic and classic. So I definitely don't want to choose cartoon or cute. I'm going to choose realistic. Reduce this down to 5 and change it to 8.5 by 11. And let's see. This one turned out way closer to what I was looking for. So you see, just testing a couple of pages really makes a difference. Love this one. Let's see here. Love Blooms, Creative Spirit, Art Unleashed. Love that so much. Looking good. See, these are definitely more mature, more about what I'm looking for. Okay, let's dive into our third hot topic right now is the monochrome coloring book. I have seen this coming up through the ranks in the last just 3 or 4 months. And you can see here, it's very clear what it is. It's only 2 colors. When you open it up and look at the inside, oh, and this is also what tells me that it's new, is also I didn't want to have to use any kind of plugins or paid apps to dive into the numbers here. You can tell when a book is trending or doing really well. When here it got 66, this has 63, 44, 7, this reviews that are all 4.5 stars or 5. And let's open it up and see what they're saying. So when you look at this, there's a dot where you're supposed to color black. So this is another example. But I like that in this you can see, is that the only person that submitted photos? So here we go. Love this. So you can see exactly where the black is supposed to be. Definitely need to put a page in between each one. I feel like this is the next hot coloring book that is trending. So I really want you to jump on this particular trend. I have not found an AI generator yet though to make these. I'll work on that and I'll get back to you. If you know of an AI generator that can make these monochrome coloring books, let me know please in the comments, because these are the next ones we need to be making. Hope this helps.